Today, I'm going to try out this website. It's called Coding Game. I'm going to try some of the challenges in there and see how I do. The one problem with this is I've never used the website before. I really don't know anything about it, and I just want to see how it's different from something like LeetCode. So the last thing I did was hack the box, and I couldn't do any but one challenge, and I did that challenge completely wrong. I know it was wrong because my solution wasn't consistent, and there's absolutely no way anybody would have thought of using Skypack and injecting a JavaScript into an iframe to get it to respond correctly. I may or may not put that video up. My second video, definitely, I don't know if I'm going to put up because when I have to edit it, because it showed my email at the end, and I deleted my account because I was so frustrated. I literally went through a bunch of different challenges and couldn't figure out what to do, and I was like, no, I'm done. Forget it. I don't know if you're supposed to like ping the box and like try to look for vulnerabilities or what. I just want to do JavaScript challenges. So I'm going to use this and hopefully it'll be positive. Whoa, I'm gaining XP. Check it out. I'm not even doing anything. Oh, okay. Hang on. I don't know what this is, by the way. It's Coding Game. I'm assuming it like these pictures look so cool. The descent onboarding. I don't know what these are, right? But if I'm coding some kind of AI or something, that would be very cool. So I have no clue how this works, and I'm only recording it because I'm going to try to record everything like this so that I don't waste my time not recording it. Okay, and let's hit play. Okay, so Clash of Code is a game to improve your coding efficiency by solving short programming problems with other people at the same time. Whoa, I didn't think I was being competitive here. Clash of Code. Is it like Clash of Clans? Players, can I join? I don't want to play. I just wanted to do some JavaScript puzzles. We got Burgundy over here. Burgundy. Although he's way skinnier than he was in the movie. Oh man, there's sound. It's like ding, ding. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, shortest mode. You have to pass the maximum number of tests with the lowest code size. I don't think I can do this. I do not have the shortest code. X is a non-negative integer. Okay, true or false? Wait, what? Constants? X is less than or equal to... So it is a non-negative integer. Oh, it's telling... What? I didn't even play... I don't know what I'm doing. Hang on. Parse int. I don't want to parse int. Is that... I can math.abs is what I want to do that. It's saying X is non-negative. And then the output is true or false. What am I supposed to do? It's constraint. Am I supposed to check to see if like it's within this thing? I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm losing already, aren't I? Ron Burgundy, tell me. How you doing it? He's level 7. Oh man, I'm going to lose. X. Okay, the auto-generated code below aims at helping you parse the standard import according to the problem statement. Read line. I've seen this before. Okay. Write an answer using console log to debug console error debug. So, I mean, am I supposed to write an answer as true or false? They're clashing, dude. Output is true or false. Oh, hey, here it is. Oh, did I scroll down by accident? An odious number is defined as a number with an odd number of ones in its binary expansion. Oh my God, I'm done. 4 is an example of this as it has number 1, which is odd, right? And thus is an odious number. Could you have like give me like a 7 or something else with more digits? I'll put true or false depending on if it is odious or not. Okay, no wonder they're still writing it. I have no clue. How do I like make a number into a Boolean? Test case. Okay, these are for me to have fun, and then I submit. Ah, that's cool. Okay, X. How do I convert a number to a binary? Do I do it and like one of these guys? Like X and X? I have no clue. No, it's true. I expected true. I gave it 4. So X was 4, and I did X binary. I have no clue. I don't know. How do I convert something to binary? I can write a function to convert to binary. I got 12 minutes, dude. I can look it up. Okay, let's not worry about looking it up for now. If I divide by 2, isn't it like to the power of 2? So is 4 like 2 to the power of 4? Something like this? Is that the binary representation of it? It should be 100, right? What did I get? 16? That's obviously not right. It's 2 to the power. Don't know how to do binary conversions. I'm totally blanking, dude. I'm rushing right now. Like I'm seeing this tick down. I'm like, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do math. I don't understand anything. You know, like I'm totally not understanding. Whoa, to debug console error debug messages. Oh, okay. Why don't you use console info? Please, like this. You guys are so weird. To convert a number to binary, I have to get the remainder of that with a modular, I guess, or divide it. If I do 2 divided by 2, I need to get 10. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then I modular 2, and I get 0. This together should be, yeah, 10. So what if we have a bigger number, like 4? Divided by 2 is 2. So I have to keep looping as I do this. How do I get a 1 if I have a 2? And if I'm like doing modular with it? These guys are all still clashing. I'm still good. I'm in the clear. This is not what I expected. I was doing games. It was supposed to be games. Where's my game? I feel so stupid, really. Like CS 101 student's gonna show me up and be like, nah, you should have done this. It's like, yeah, easy for you to say. Look at these people. They're still clashing. They don't even know what's going on. I'm gonna look it up. I know I'm cheating, but I don't think I'm cheating. There's nobody says it's approved by Cheetah, okay? Cheetah allows you to do this. Convert a number to binary JavaScript. I just can't think of it right now, like at all. Des to bin. Oh, hey, it's using this syntax. To string. I guess that could work. So do I take X and do that? And then like it makes binary? Oh my God, I got 100. Okay. Oh shoot, people are finishing. Shoot. So did you do it in Python? Shoot, I'm competing on different languages. String 2. I don't want to string it. What's the 2 for? I mean, that looks like a string, but I have to reduce in here. And they want the least amount of code. Does it the least lines? I know, I need to get rid of the zeros, okay? So I need to, how do you remove the zeros? Replace. I just want the ones. Replace, I need global, and I need 0, and I just make it quote, quote. I could do that. That's less code than if I put a 1 and then put a $1 in there. Now that I have an array of ones, I just need the length of it, and then I make sure the length is odd or even. If it's mod 2, and then I need to see if it's equal to 1. Well, I'm not done yet? I did it. I got 30 XP for what? I can't believe I did that. I didn't even write the code. Somebody else wrote the code. I wrote the logic. I hope it didn't count against me. Like someone's gonna watch this video and downvote me. It doesn't say, I mean, Cheetah did it, right? So it's okay. Difficulty was like way too hard. I don't know how to do binary conversion. I know I needed to use binary like bitwise operations. I've always looked it up. Like I never do that myself. There's no way, because I never use it. Code sharing helps other coders improve and give you the opportunity to receive feedback. I don't really want feedback. I didn't write the code. What's this Clash of Code stuff? I completed it. No, I completed it. Whoa, did I not get enough? You congratulate yourself. I don't care. Introduction path finished. You are officially a member. Oh, well, that's nice. Thank you. Clash of Code AI algorithm. No, like this is cool actually. But when it said code in game, I thought there was like a game like with like stuff fire. It said I did this one. I don't remember this one. Did I like just type in some numbers? Community success rate 85%. I don't even remember doing it and I finished it. Can you believe that? I did it without even knowing I did it. Solve it. Your program must find the 2 targets which are closest. See, this seems like so much fun. Dude, don't make me read this. Skip. Your program must destroy the enemy ships by shooting the closest. On the start of each turn in the game loop, you obtain information about the 2 closest enemies. Dist 1? I don't know what dist 1 means. The name and distance. Ah, I see. Before your turn is over and end of the loop, I'll put the value of either enemy 1 or 2 to shoot the closest. Okay. Oh, it's done. I did it. Why am I doing this activity? It did it for me. Get a job? I already got a job. You eliminated the threat. Submit. Is this how I did it? Oh my god, guys, look how good I am. 85% of people completed this. They literally give you the answer. No wonder I didn't remember doing it. You just click it and you're done. We gotta do harder ones. Like, this is way too easy. So compete sounds really fun. And it only sounds fun because it has a number 1 here. I want to get rid of that. It's really annoying. The descent. Okay, let's do this. Solving this puzzle makes you understand the concepts of loops. Seriously? No, we're going harder than this. I just want to solve game puzzles, but I don't want easy. I want hardest you can get. Intervals and binary search? Okay, maybe I don't want the hardest you can get. I guess we can do something easy and just try it. Destroy the mountains before your starship collides. Oh, I was trying this one time. On stream, I thought. But maybe not. Maybe I just tried it and I was like, no, I'm done. All right, win if you destroy every mountain, lose if your ship crashes or you provide an incorrect amount of information. While the while loop represents a game, each iteration represents a turn where you're given inputs and where you have to print the output index of the mountain to fire on. The inputs are automatically updated according to your last actions. What is my goal? I don't know why I would fire on a mountain or not. Destroy the mountains before your starship collides with them. So do I like play it and like watch it and say, oh, I'm gonna collide with number 5 and then I'm gonna collide with number 2 and then I'm gonna collide with number 3 and that's it? 8 lines, 1 integer, mountain H per line. Each represents the height of a mountain. This is easy. I can't even read the question. A single line with 1 integer from the I don't know what I'm reading. I'm literally on reading. That's what it sounds like to me. So I'm going to go down. And so I need to get rid of mountain 1. It looks like it's working for me. See? What? I just died. Okay. Randomly, I just died. I had a bunch of zeros here correctly. Whoa, hang on. Whoa. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. But I still don't understand why I died. Your ship targeted mountain 3. Your altitude is now 6. And then I died. Why did I die? Invalid command set. Your integer should be between 0 and 7. Well, it started with 9. Height of mountain 0 is 9. It looks like it solved it for me. This is the tallest. Then that, then all the way down. I mean, let's destroy the mountains, secure our landing. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, but it broke on 5. I don't know what I'm doing. While true. Okay, so we have a loop. This is the game loop. I see. Then this console log 4 is the index of the mountain to fire on. That is the one. Yeah, I want to fire on number 4, but I died before that happened. These are the heights of the mountains. This is not the next one to fire on. It should be this one here, number 15, or line 15, which is this one. Or is this the incorrect height? Do I need to put a 5 here and I'm done? If I need to put a 5 here, no, it's not correct. Scattered mountains? I don't understand. Okay, this one is shorter. See, this one's down here. I just hit the wrong mountain. Yeah, I exploded correctly this time. So are the mountain heights like not supposed to be fixed? Why would you give me this if they're not supposed to be fixed? Is it just to help me at the beginning? I don't understand. This says 3. If these are the mountain heights, give me the index of it, right? No? Mountain H. To me, that sounds like mountain height. Parse int read line. Okay, represents the height of one mountain. Air is a debug. That debugs mountain H, which should be a number here, right? There, 6. So that mountain was 6. So it's going to look for the index of 6, which is 3 right here. And it's going to shoot at mountain 3. But that is incorrect. It's number 4. Yeah, see, number 4 is 6. But it got number 3. Why did it get number 3? Now I look at this, I don't understand why it would get number... It should get number 4. Because it's getting the index of number 6. Oh, no, my index is this. Oh, they have different heights here than I do. Because they hard-coded my heights. Well, how am I supposed to know... What is that? What's that noise? It was like, ding! Is it because I'm taking too long or somebody's messaging me? Or they were like, oh yeah, you're so OP at that last game you were playing. That was so good. This gaming thing is cool. Because it's a visual, but it's not helping me because I don't understand what to do. They give me an input of the height of a mountain, and I need to know the height of all the mountains to figure out which one to get. But they've defined all the heights here, and it was obviously wrong because one of these was missing. I think it was number 5 here was a 0, and that didn't work. And like, where am I supposed to get this from? They don't give it to me, right? They just give me the mountain height. The height of the next mountain, is that what that is? Or is this the index of the one I'm supposed to shoot at? I'm assuming that's not correct. Here it says scattered mountains, meaning the heights are different. Strong mountains, meaning they're all probably tall. Yeah, there are only 5 of them, and they're not the same heights as the ones defined here. So how do I get these heights? Destroy the mountains before your ship collides. Yes, at the start of each turn, you are given the height of the 8 mountains from left to right. Wait a second, what? Oh, so is this like standard at the start of each turn you're given all of these, and then by the end of the game turn you must fire on the highest mountain. What's this doing down here anyway? I have to fill this out. What the heck is this one then? Is this looking for the next highest? That doesn't do anything. This literally doesn't... I mean, this tells me to fire on that one because the console log is supposed to be what... I'm lost. Okay, like this is also weird that it has this, but I'm assuming read line 7 times they're calling read line because they want to tell me... Okay, let's look at this one. Descending mountains. There are clearly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 mountains. This is going from 0 to 8, which are 9, but it's not equal. There are 8 mountains. They give me all the 8 mountains at the beginning of it, and I'm reading height of mountain like this. Am I supposed to string parse it? Like, how is this even working? I read the line 8 times, so that gives me 8 heights, and I'm supposed to create this mountain heights most likely with those 8, and then down here I actually write the logic and then logs it out. Okay, am I just like bad at this? I don't understand. Like, why am I the one that can't get it? I'm gonna do one of these. Because who cares about that, right? Oh, what? It doesn't work anymore? Yeah, I know it doesn't work. At the start, you're giving the height. At the end, I have to fire on one. So I just pick the biggest one every time. Well, only destroy part of it, reducing its height. 8 lines. Okay, I got that much. 1 integer, mountain h per line. 1 integer, which is mountain h per line. Oh, it's parse inting on this. What am I logging? Who's logging this? Are they logging this for me? Because it said at the beginning they gave me all of them. Is this it? This is the standard error stream is console.error. So this thing is getting each one of these is the height of every single mountain. And then I have to tell it which one to fire on. But it's saying like standard output stream is 0. So like it's not this that's being called, it's this that's being called, which is the heights of the mountains, and it is looking for an index that matches any of these. I obviously want the biggest one first. I have to obviously add these for each one, and then like I don't want this here at all. I want this down here, and then I actually want to log all of them. Because they set it up weird, it actually makes it harder for me, and I don't like mountain h. Can we name this like mountain height, like a single mountain height? I don't want to log that. I want to log all of these. Index is important still. Okay, so mountain height I don't care about actually. I really don't care about this value, but I'm gonna do it. I don't know, I'm blanking right now. I equals mountain height, and then I'm about to fall asleep here. Like that's the problem. I think it's just I'm tired. Okay, so I got the mountain heights, and then I'm logging this, which is my output. That's the one I want to fire on, which is this. Is this gonna work? What if I try it again? Can I not wait? I don't want to wait. Scroll faster. Can I like get to the end of the video? It didn't move. I just exploded. Your program did not write. No, I did. It's right here. I read 8 lines and then gave you an output, and I even console logged it right here. See, it's an array of numbers, and I'm getting the index of that mountain height and then giving it to you. You're giving me a height of a mountain, right? Oh, I need to tell you which one. I want that one. Oh, I see. I gotta write that. I just forgot. I just wrote this code. So we need to find the largest. So I need to reduce. I don't want to reduce. Is there another way to get the largest? I'm gonna reduce. Okay, we're gonna reduce. Then that means I have to do a lot of setup, which is really annoying. The starter, actually, I don't need to start because it has one. And I have to make the mountain height 0 when I'm done with it, I guess. It gives me all the heights each time, right? Yeah, so I don't need to do anything. It's going to overwrite them every time. Okay, so I need to reduce, and I need to take mountain height, and this is the, like, all the heights? No, this is the previous mountain height. I know what it is. It's mountain height A and mountain height B. Man, I am slow right now. And so we need to check if A is greater than B. What I should say is this is the tallest mountain height is this, and then this is a mountain height. And I want to check if this one is greater than the tallest. If it is, otherwise I will return the tallest. And that's it. Go. Please move. What is this output? Can I debug it? And then I'll put console log 4 or 9 just to be friendly. Does it have to be a string or a number? Not sure. Can I clear the console? No. I put 9. Oh, it's the index of it. Basically, I need this number, and I need to say mountain 10 height index, and then I need to do index of. So I still need the index of. I should have the index here, like right here. But it's like more work to, I can get the index instead of having to do index of, but I'm going to add the index of for now. Okay, there's no reason for it, but I'm going to do it anyway because it's a little bit simpler for me to code it and I don't have to type as much. But the proper way I would do it would be to basically return an object here, and then so this is always an object, and I would deconstruct the tallest mountain height and then the index of that height. That's how I would normally do it. Okay, let's see. Mountain heights is not defined. I completely disagree. It is absolutely defined. Did I spell it wrong? Mountain's height? Really? It's not. It's mountain heights. Nobody caught it either, right? Like all these people watching the video, nobody said anything. It's interesting. I don't have to save the file either. Can you move, please? Ship. I swear you gotta move. I want the index, please. And I want this. I want to know what this is. What are you trying to do? It's saying I'm not outputting it or something, but this is clearly like working. Answer on line 16. Wait, what? Oh, line 16. Mountain heights is not defined. Oh! They wrote it wrong. It's mountain heights. Yeah, okay, now it's working. They wrote mountains heights, which is like, yes, mountains is heights, you know, like, but I don't care about that. Okay, this is working fine. Clear for landing, guys. Play all test cases. Oh, you're gonna make me watch them? No. Okay, they don't make you watch them. I don't wanna watch them all. Okay, I'm done. They all work. Submit. If I don't do the index of, it'd be even better, but I got 100% anyway. Unlocked achievements. Man, I'm about to fall asleep here. Rate is boring. I hated it. I really did. What did you learn? Loops? Oh, I don't know how to do loops. Conditions? Oh, this is so bad. I'm not at this level. This is too easy. I know it took me forever to do it, but like it's still too easy. I need something that's challenging that'll keep me awake. Clash of Code. I kind of want to do this. That was fun. What did I do? Can somebody explain to me how I did on that last one? I'm ranked 6 of 8. That's awful. That's like the worst. The time it took me to solve it. This guy had a higher duration. Oh, but he had less characters. Well, Python. Okay. Like how am I supposed to compete? The other JavaScript person did it better than me. Nobody else did it. This guy did Python and did 488. Okay. Does it remove characters by removing new lines? If I removed all this, would it have removed all that and all this here? Is that the problem? I left the stupid comments in and I lost. I bet my code was exactly the same as this person. Please let me view. Okay, let me view yours. This, dude, I don't want to minify my code just to win the code challenge. This is BS. Okay, you can't even read this. You have to test it first, make sure it works, and then minify it and put it in here, but copy out your original code in case it doesn't pass. No, I'm done with this site. I'm done. No, this is not the way I want to do it. You can't compete on different languages, okay? This makes no sense. I have to compete against other JavaScript people. And clearly this person removed the comments out of their code. I thought they'd minify it for us. If they minified it for us and they were like, that's how many characters you have, that would be great. This is clearly not 300 something characters. Like if you remove all this and you minify it, it's not that many characters. Why don't you just minify it for me? Okay. If you're really going to be that way, freaking Ron Burgundy beat me. Okay. So stupid. And he took longer. Like clearly they should get some advantage from having done it faster than everybody but Ekaluf. Also, Shurkin also beat me on time. And see, this guy has 488 characters. So I feel like this is the top 3 right here. All these people, forget it. They don't know what they're doing. I'm still really upset. I want to delete my account. I'm seriously deleting my account though. I don't want it. They didn't even ask me to type in anything. It's gone. That was the worst. I want to play like Shenzhen IO, please. Okay, I'm done. Your site sucks. I thought this would be really fun with games and like whatever. Well, all the games look dumb and none of this makes sense and your site sucks. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like and a subscribe. I'm going to be putting out more content like this. So if you want to see more, go ahead and like and subscribe.